What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to like a note on Instagram. If you're familiar with liking Instagram stories by tapping on the like button, you might be wondering how you can do something similar for Instagram notes. Notes on Instagram are a quick and casual way to share your thoughts with your followers without posting on your feed or story. And sometimes you might want to show appreciation for these without sending a full reply. First, navigate to the direct messages section of Instagram. You can access DMs by tapping on the messenger icon in the top right corner of your Instagram home screen. This is where all your conversations and received notes are stored. Once you're in the DM section, locate the note you wish to like. Instead of looking for a like button, as you would with stories, liking a note on Instagram is done through emoji reactions. Simply tap on the note to view it, and you'll see an option to reply at the bottom. Here, you can select an emoji to express your feelings about the note. While any emoji can convey your reaction effectively, using a heart emoji is a common and straightforward way to show that you liked the note. After selecting your preferred emoji, send it. This action sends an emoji reaction back to the person who posted the note, effectively letting them know that you appreciate their note. It's a direct and personal way to engage with the content your friends and followers are sharing through notes. It's worth noting that, as of now, this is the primary method to like or show appreciation for a note on Instagram. There isn't a dedicated like button for notes as there is for stories on posts, making emoji reactions the go-to method for expressing your sentiments. Understanding these nuances of Instagram helps in making your experience on a platform more engaging and personal. Whether it's through a heart emoji or any other symbol that better expresses your reaction, you can let someone know that you value their notes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.